How to make AI images of yourself for free. New. In recent years, the advent of artificial intelligence has revolutionized various fields, and one of the most exciting applications is in image generation. The Flux AI image generation model stands out as a remarkable tool that allows users to create personalized images featuring their own likeness. This innovative use of AI not only showcases the technological advancements in machine learning, but also opens up a world of creative possibilities for individuals looking to express themselves visually. Imagine being able to see yourself as a beloved character from a movie, a superhero, or even a fantasy creature, all thanks to the power of AI. The integration of personal images with popular characters not only adds a fun twist to the creative process, but also allows for a unique form of self-expression. Users can explore various styles and themes, merging their identity with the characters they admire, resulting in images that are both personal and imaginative. This fusion of personal likeness with iconic figures can lead to delightful outcomes, whether for social media profiles, GIFs, or simply for personal enjoyment. The potential for creativity is boundless, as users can experiment with different settings, outfits, and artistic styles, all while maintaining their unique identity at the forefront. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will set the stage for a comprehensive tutorial on how to train the Flux AI model with your own face. This process may seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, anyone can harness the power of AI to create stunning personalized images. We will walk through the necessary steps, from gathering the right images of yourself to fine-tuning the model to ensure it captures your likeness accurately. By the end of this tutorial, you will not only have a better understanding of how the Flux AI model works, but also the skills to create your own personalized images that reflect your personality and interests. The journey of training the model will be both educational and entertaining, as you witness the transformation of your images into unique pieces of art. Whether you want to create a whimsical portrait of yourself as a fantasy character or a striking image that combines your likeness with elements from your favorite video game, the possibilities are endless. So get ready to unleash your creativity and explore the fascinating world of AI-generated images. With the Flux AI image generation model, you can embark on an artistic adventure that blends technology with personal expression, allowing you to see yourself in ways you never thought possible. As we move forward, we will provide you with all the tools and knowledge you need to make the most of this innovative technology, ensuring that your experience is both enjoyable and rewarding. Embrace the future of image creation and prepare to be amazed by the incredible results you can achieve with your own personalized images. The Flux AI image generation model has emerged as a powerful tool in the realm of artificial intelligence, particularly when it comes to generating realistic images. When compared to other models like Midjourney, Flux AI distinguishes itself through its advanced algorithms and user-friendly interface, which enable it to produce images that are not only visually stunning but also remarkably lifelike. While Midjourney has garnered attention for its artistic flair, Flux AI excels in realism, making it an ideal choice for users seeking to create images that closely resemble real-life subjects or scenarios. This capability is particularly beneficial for those looking to generate personalized images, as it allows for a seamless integration of the user's likeness into various creative contexts. One of the standout features of the Flux AI model is its versatility in the types of images it can create. Users can explore a wide array of themes, from superhero depictions that capture the essence of iconic characters to breathtaking outer space scenes that evoke a sense of wonder and adventure. The model's ability to generate images across different genres means that users can let their imaginations run wild, crafting visuals that reflect their interests and passions. Whether you want to see yourself as a caped crusader soaring through the skies or as an astronaut exploring distant galaxies, Flux AI provides the tools to bring those visions to life. This diversity in image generation not only enhances the creative experience, but also allows for a more personalized touch, as users can tailor their creations to fit their unique preferences. Another significant advantage of the Flux AI image generation model is its ease of use and accessibility. Unlike some other AI models that may require extensive technical knowledge or programming skills, Flux AI is designed with the user in mind. The intuitive interface allows individuals of all skill levels to navigate the platform effortlessly, making it accessible to both seasoned artists and those new to digital creation. Users can quickly upload their images, select themes, and customize their creations without feeling overwhelmed by complex processes. This accessibility encourages experimentation and exploration. empowering users to unleash their creativity without barriers. Moreover, the model's efficiency in generating high-quality images means that users can see their ideas come to fruition in a matter of moments. This rapid turnaround time is particularly appealing for those looking to create content for social media, marketing, or personal projects. The combination of realistic image generation, thematic versatility, and user-friendly design makes Flux AI a standout choice in the landscape of AI image generation tools. In summary, the Flux AI image generation model offers a compelling alternative to other models, like Midjourney, particularly in its ability to produce realistic images across a variety of themes. With its focus on user accessibility and ease of use, Flux AI invites everyone to explore their creative potential, whether they are crafting superhero images or venturing into the cosmos. As technology continues to evolve, the capabilities of models like Flux AI will undoubtedly expand, further enriching the creative landscape for users everywhere. Training the Flux AI model with your own face is an exciting process that allows you to create personalized images that reflect your unique likeness. To get started, it's essential to follow a structured approach that ensures the model can accurately learn and replicate your features. The first step in this process is preparing the images you will use for training. It's crucial to gather a diverse set of images that showcase your face from various angles, expressions, and lighting conditions. This variety helps the model understand the nuances of your appearance, leading to more realistic results. When preparing these images, it's advisable to follow a consistent naming convention. For example, you might name your files using a format like faceangle1.jpg, facesmile.jpg, or faceprofile.jpg. This organization not only helps you keep track of your images, but also allows the model to recognize and categorize them effectively during the training phase. Next, the importance of using a sufficient number of images cannot be overstated. While there is no strict rule regarding the exact number of images needed, a general guideline is to aim for at least 50 to 100 high-quality images. The more images you provide, the better the model can learn the intricacies of your facial features. Insufficient data may lead to a less accurate representation, resulting in images that do not capture your likeness effectively. Therefore, investing time in collecting a robust dataset is crucial for achieving optimal results. Additionally, ensure that the images are clear and well lit, as blurry or poorly lit photos can hinder the training process. Once you have prepared your images, the next step is to introduce the tools and platforms needed for the training process. The Flux AI model typically requires a compatible software environment to facilitate the training. This may involve using platforms like Google Colab, which provides a cloud-based environment for running Python code and accessing machine learning libraries. Alternatively, you can set up a local environment on your computer using tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch, depending on the specific requirements of the Flux AI model. Familiarizing yourself with these platforms is essential, as they will serve as the foundation for training the model with your images. After setting up the environment, you will need to upload your prepared images and configure the training parameters. This includes specifying the number of training epochs, which determines how many times the model will iterate over your dataset to learn from it. A higher number of epochs can lead to better results, but it may also increase the training time. Once everything is in place, you can initiate the training process and monitor its progress. In summary, training the Flux AI model with your own face involves several key steps: preparing a diverse set of images with a consistent naming convention, ensuring you have a sufficient number of high-quality images, and utilizing the right tools and platforms for the training process. By following these guidelines, you can effectively train the model to create stunning, personalized images that capture your likeness, allowing you to explore the creative possibilities that AI has to offer. Using Replicate to train your Flux AI model is a straightforward process that opens up exciting possibilities for personalized image generation. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to create an account, access the training toolkit, understand the cost structure, and ensure your model operates effectively by setting its visibility correctly. To begin, the first step is to create an account on Replicate. Visit the Replicate website and click on the Sign Up button, typically located in the upper right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After filling in the required information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your account, and you will be directed back to the Replicate platform. Once your account is verified, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will have access to the dashboard, where you can explore various models and tools available for training. Next, to access the training toolkit for the Flux AI model, navigate to the Models section on the dashboard. Here, you can search for the Flux AI model specifically. Once you find it, click on the model to access its dedicated page. This page will provide you with detailed information about the model, including its capabilities and requirements. Look for the Train button, which will direct you to the training toolkit. This toolkit is where you will upload your prepared images and configure the training parameters necessary for the model to learn from your data. Understanding the cost structure associated with training the model on Replicate is crucial for planning your project. Replicate operates on a pay-as-you-go model, meaning you will be charged based on the resources you use during the training process. The costs typically depend on factors such as the type of GPU used, the duration of the training, and the amount of data processed. It's advisable to review the pricing details on the Replicate website to get a clear understanding of the potential costs involved. This transparency allows you to budget accordingly and avoid any unexpected charges while training your model. Another important aspect to consider is the visibility setting of your model. For successful operation and to ensure that your model can be accessed and utilized effectively, it is essential to set the model visibility to public. This setting allows other users to view and interact with your model, which can be beneficial for collaboration and feedback. To adjust the visibility settings, navigate to the Model Settings page after you have created your model. Look for the visibility options and select Public. This step is crucial, as it not only enhances the model's accessibility but also fosters a community around your work, enabling others to learn from and build upon your creations. In summary, using Replicate to train your Flux AI model involves creating an account, accessing the training toolkit, understanding the cost structure, and setting the model visibility to public. By following this step-by-step guide, you can effectively navigate the Replicate platform and harness the power of AI to create personalized images that reflect your unique identity. With the right preparation and understanding, you'll be well on your way to exploring the creative possibilities that await you in the world of AI-generated imagery. Generating images using your trained Flux AI model is an exciting process that allows you to see your likeness come to life in various creative contexts. Once you have successfully trained your model, the next step is to input prompts that will guide the AI in creating images that feature you. This section will demonstrate how to effectively use prompts, discuss the significance of prompt structure, and encourage experimentation to achieve the desired results. To begin generating images, navigate to the interface where your trained model is hosted, typically on the Replicate platform or any other environment you used for training. You will find a designated area for inputting prompts. The first step is to craft a prompt that clearly describes the image you want to create. For instance, if you want to see yourself as a superhero, you might input a prompt like, "Create an image of me as a superhero flying over a city skyline." This prompt provides the model with specific context, allowing it to generate an image that aligns with your vision. The structure of your prompt is crucial for achieving the best results. A well-structured prompt should include key details such as the subject, your likeness, the setting, e.g. a city skyline, and any specific attributes you want to highlight, e.g. costume colors, powers. Additionally, the placement of trigger words can significantly influence the output. For example, using words like dynamic, vibrant, or heroic can help convey the tone and style you wish to achieve. A prompt like, "Generate a dynamic image of me as a vibrant superhero soaring through a colorful city skyline," provides the model with a clearer direction, enhancing the likelihood of producing an image that meets your expectations. It's important to remember that the AI model thrives on creativity and flexibility. Therefore, don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts to see how the model responds. You might try variations of your initial prompt, such as changing the setting to an outer space backdrop or altering your superhero persona to include different powers or costumes. For instance, you could input, "Show me as a superhero in outer space battling aliens," or "Create an image of me as a mystical superhero with a glowing cape." Each variation can yield unique results, allowing you to explore a wide range of creative possibilities. Additionally, consider incorporating different artistic styles into your prompts. You might specify a particular art style, such as in a comic book style, or as a digital painting, to influence the overall aesthetic of the generated image. This approach not only enhances the visual appeal but also allows you to tailor the output to your personal preferences. In summary, generating images using your trained Flux AI model involves crafting effective prompts that feature your likeness. The significance of prompt structure and the placement of trigger words cannot be overstated, as they play a vital role in guiding the AI to produce the desired results. By encouraging experimentation with different prompts and styles, you can unlock the full potential of your model, resulting in a diverse array of personalized images that reflect your creativity and individuality. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey of seeing your likeness transformed into imaginative visuals. Optimizing prompts is a crucial step in enhancing the quality of images generated by your Flux AI model. The way you phrase your prompts can significantly influence the output, leading to more detailed, vibrant, and accurate representations of your vision. One effective technique for refining and improving prompts is to utilize AI tools like Claude, which can assist in generating more precise and impactful prompts. Claude, an advanced AI language model, can help you brainstorm ideas, suggest improvements, and even rephrase your prompts to maximize their effectiveness. To begin using Claude for prompt optimization, you can input your initial prompt and ask for suggestions on how to enhance it. For example, if your original prompt is, "Create an image of me as a superhero," you might ask Claude, "How can I make this prompt more detailed and engaging?" Claude could suggest adding specific attributes, settings, or emotions, such as, "Generate a dynamic image of me as a superhero with a glowing cape, flying over a bustling city at sunset." This refined prompt provides the AI model with more context, leading to a richer and more visually appealing image. The impact of optimized prompts on image generation can be profound. For instance, consider the difference between a basic prompt like, "Show me as a wizard," and an optimized version such as, "Create an image of me as a powerful wizard casting spells in a mystical forest, surrounded by glowing orbs." The latter prompt not only specifies the character but also sets a vivid scene, which can result in a more detailed and captivating image. By incorporating elements like environment, action, and emotional tone, you can guide the AI to produce images that resonate more closely with your creative vision. Another technique for optimizing prompts is to experiment with different styles and themes. By varying the artistic direction of your prompts, you can explore a wide range of visual outcomes. For example, you might start with a prompt like, "Generate an image of me as a superhero," and then modify it to include different styles such as, "Create a retro comic book style image of me as a superhero," or "Show me as a superhero in a futuristic digital art style." Each variation can yield distinct results, allowing you to discover which styles best capture your desired aesthetic. Encouraging viewers to experiment with different themes is equally important. The versatility of the Flux AI model means that you can explore various genres, from fantasy to sci-fi, and even blend elements from different themes. For instance, you could combine prompts like, "Show me as a superhero in a steampunk world," or "Create an image of me as a space explorer encountering alien life." This kind of experimentation not only enhances creativity, but also helps you understand how different elements interact within the image generation process. In summary, optimizing prompts is essential for enhancing the quality of images generated by your Flux AI model. Utilizing AI tools like Claude can provide valuable insights and suggestions for refining your prompts. By providing detailed context, experimenting with various styles and themes, and encouraging creative exploration, you can significantly improve the outcomes of your image generation efforts. Embrace the process of optimization, and enjoy the journey of creating stunning visuals that truly reflect your imagination. Animating generated images is an exciting way to add a new dimension of creativity to your projects. By transforming static images into dynamic content, you can create engaging visuals that capture attention and tell a story. One of the most effective tools for this purpose is Runway Gen 3, a powerful platform designed for animating images and creating videos with ease. This section will introduce you to Runway Gen 3, explain the process of creating dynamic content from static images, and highlight the fun aspects of turning your creations into videos. To get started with animating your images, the first step is to access Runway Gen 3. This platform offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to upload your static images and apply various animation techniques. Once you have created an account and logged in, you can navigate to the Animation Tools section. Here, you will find a range of features designed to help you bring your images to life. The platform supports various animation styles, including motion effects, transitions, and even character animations, making it a versatile choice for any creative project. The process of creating dynamic content from static images is straightforward. Begin by uploading the image you wish to animate. After the upload is complete, you can select from a variety of animation presets or customize your own. For instance, you might choose to add subtle movements, such as a gentle zoom or pan effect, which can create a sense of depth and engagement. Alternatively, you can apply more complex animations, like character movements or background shifts, to enhance the storytelling aspect of your image. Runway Gen 3 also allows you to adjust the speed and timing of the animations, giving you full control over how your final video will look and feel. One of the most enjoyable aspects of animating images is the ability to turn your static creations into captivating videos. This transformation not only adds visual interest, but also allows you to convey emotions and narratives in a way that static images cannot. For example, imagine taking a generated image of yourself as a superhero and animating it to show you flying through a cityscape, complete with dynamic background elements like moving clouds and bustling streets. This kind of animation can evoke excitement and wonder, making your content more engaging for viewers. Moreover, the process of animating images can be a fun and creative exploration. As you experiment with different animation techniques, you may discover new ways to express your ideas and enhance your storytelling. The ability to combine various elements such as sound effects, music, and voiceovers further enriches the experience, allowing you to create a multimedia presentation that captivates your audience. Whether you're creating content for social media, marketing, or personal projects, the possibilities are endless when it comes to animating your images. In summary, animating generated images using tools like Runway Gen 3 opens up a world of creative potential. By transforming static images into dynamic content, you can engage viewers in new and exciting ways. The straightforward process of uploading images and applying animations, combined with the fun of creating videos, makes this an enjoyable endeavor for anyone looking to enhance their visual storytelling. Embrace the opportunity to animate your creations and watch as your static images come to life in vibrant and captivating ways. In this video, we explored the fascinating journey of using the Flux AI model to create personalized images and animations, highlighting the innovative ways artificial intelligence can enhance our creative expression. We began by discussing how to train the Flux AI model with your own likeness, emphasizing the importance of preparing a diverse set of images and using a consistent naming convention. This foundational step is crucial for ensuring that the model accurately captures your features and generates high-quality images. Next, we delved into the process of generating images using the trained model. We demonstrated how to craft effective prompts that guide the AI in creating visuals that reflect your unique identity. The significance of prompt structure and the placement of trigger words was underscored, as these elements play a vital role in influencing the output. We encouraged viewers to experiment with different styles and themes, allowing for a broader range of creative possibilities. Following the image generation, we introduced techniques for optimizing prompts to enhance image quality. By utilizing AI tools like Claude, viewers learned how to refine their prompts for better results. We provided examples of optimized prompts and discussed their impact on the generated images, reinforcing the idea that creativity thrives on experimentation. We then transitioned to the exciting realm of animation, showcasing how tools like Runway Gen 3 can transform static images into dynamic content. The process of creating engaging videos from your generated images was explained, highlighting the fun and engaging aspects of turning your creations into animated stories. This segment emphasized how animation can add depth and emotion to your visuals, making them more captivating for your audience. As we wrap up this video, we encourage you to reflect on the key points discussed. The journey of using Flux AI to create personalized images and animations is not only a technical process, but also a creative adventure. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and AI-related content as we continue to explore the endless possibilities that technology offers for artistic expression. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest tips, tricks, and innovations in the world of AI, ensuring that you never miss an opportunity to enhance your creative projects. Moreover, we would love to hear from you. We invite you to share your creations and experiences with the community. Whether you've generated stunning images, animated your artwork, or experimented with different prompts, your insights and creations can inspire others. Join the conversation in the comments section or connect with us on social media platforms. Sharing your journey not only fosters a sense of community but also encourages collaboration and learning among fellow creators. In conclusion, the process of using Flux AI to create personalized images and animations is a rewarding experience that blends technology with creativity. We hope this video has inspired you to explore these tools and techniques further. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your amazing creations.